Good afternoon, Bike Hippie here. Welcome to another ride video featuring the Kona Hahana. Today I'm in Willow Point. It's a little town outside of Campbell River. There's this bike path that runs along the ocean. And that way, right over there, that's Quadra Island. So we're gonna head that way and see what we can find. Let's get moving. That guy's pretty cool, eh? He's even wearing blue jeans. Got Quadra Island in the background with the lighthouse there. Awesome, let's keep moving. Well, that was fun. I had to ride a long section in construction and it was all wet and muddy. Splashed up. I've got a wet ass now. Awesome. Good times. Good times, guys. Good times. I'm already at the bottom of the hill. Just got to ride up this hill and I'm going into Campbell River. That wasn't very far. I'm gonna go find a place to eat.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, he'll be out of the moment.
Okay, very good, thanks. I just went through the drive-thru on my bike and they totally hooked me up, so that's nice. I've heard of drive-thrus not letting you go through on your bike, so. KFC in Campbell River, 2 thumbs up. Haven't even eaten your food yet. Bet it's good. So here I am at KFC in Campbell River and they just let me go through on my bike through the drive-thru. So here I am at KFC in Campbell River and they just let me go through the drive-thru on my bike. So 2 thumbs up, KFC Campbell River. Thank you. Oh man, I haven't had KFC in like 10 years. They were starting to go downhill. Let's see if they got any better. But I got the Big Crunch combo. The Big Crunch combo is always good. Fries are good. Let's get into the Big Crunch combo. Looks good. Tastes pretty damn good too. All right, see you later. All right, what do I think of the KFC Big Crunch combo? It's not as good as it used to be. The bun is definitely not nearly as good. It's almost like a McDonald's cheeseburger bun. It used to be kind of like an artisan bun back in the day. The chicken was good. That was about it. The fries weren't even that good. The Pepsi's good, but Pepsi's always good. Anyway, check out where I'm at here. That's the Quadra Island ferry coming in. I should have just made this day around going to Quadra Island. That would have been cool, but I didn't. Well, I'm leaving Campbell River now. I hope you guys enjoyed riding with me today, and have a nice day.